Hello everyone. In our previous video, we seen that how to create a payload using SE toolkit, and in this video, we are going to see how to create a payload using Metasploit. It is pre-installed in the Kali Linux, so we no need to worry. Just open the terminal and type msf vena, and this is the tool which we are going to use. And hyphen p indicates the payload option. So here I am going to use the payload option, that is Windows Interpreter Reverse TCP, and this is the option for creating payload. There are numerous types of payloads. We are using Windows Interpreter Reverse TCP. This is such a one kind of payload. Now after that, we need to give the L host, that is we need to give our IP address. So I am getting my IP address by typing ifconfig. Here I can get my IP address and just copying it and pasting it here. Now I need to type my port number, that is L port. Now listener port is 4444. After that, I need to enter the format, so -f and exe file, because I need to create the payload for Windows file, Windows OS. So I need to create a format in exe file. Then the destination location. Now here I am giving it as root to Trojan virus payload.exe. This is the file name. By tapping on enter, the payload is getting created. Now it is generating, and we can see the payload is created here. The size of the payload 341 bytes, and the total exe file is 73,802 bytes. And I'm just searching for it. Sorry, a minor bug in my Kali Linux. Where is that file? Where is that exe file? And I got it here. Trojan virus payload.exe. Yeah. Here you can see that. I'm just copying it and pasting it for my future video. Okay guys, this is how to create a payload using Metasploit, and be hang on with me guys. Do subscribe my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you didn't like this video, hit the thumbs down button. Stay awake. Thank you.